Ever wondered what the everyday objects around you look like up close? Prepare to be amazed, because today, we're diving into the microscopic world to see what really happens to everyday objects when viewed under a microscope for the first time. Get ready for a journey of surprises, because things aren't always what they seem. Let's start with something familiar, a simple piece of paper. To the naked eye, it's smooth, right? But under a microscope, the paper transforms. You'll see a chaotic landscape of intertwined plant fibers. These fibers, derived from wood pulp, create a web-like structure. The surface is far from smooth. It's rough, uneven, and full of texture. This is why paper absorbs ink and why it's so easily torn. The microscopic view reveals the secrets of its properties. Next up, a seemingly clean surface, your phone screen. We touch our phones constantly, so what lurks there? Under a microscope, you will see a fascinating combination of dust particles, skin cells, and microscopic fibers from your pocket or bag. There might even be a few tiny microorganisms hitching a ride. The glass itself appears pitted and uneven due to tiny scratches and imperfections that accumulate over time. The screen's surface is a bustling micro-ecosystem, a world hidden in plain sight. Now, let's look at something we eat: sugar. A sugar crystal looks crystalline and perfect to the eye, but under the microscope, the reality is even more stunning. Sugar crystals are not perfectly uniform. You'll observe sharp angles, jagged edges, and varying sizes. These crystals are formed from the process of crystallization, where sugar molecules align themselves in an ordered pattern. The intricate shapes and structures of each crystal are beautiful and complex. Finally, let's explore something that gets a lot of use: your toothbrush. It might seem clean after a good rinse, but the microscope tells a different story. The bristles, which you thought were smooth, are rough and porous, filled with residue, bacteria, and maybe even a bit of toothpaste. You might see remnants of food particles as well. The toothbrush, designed to keep your mouth clean, actually becomes a host to a variety of microscopic life and debris over time. So what's the takeaway? The microscopic world reveals hidden details that transform our understanding of the everyday. The things we take for granted are far more complex and fascinating than we realize. Next time you look at a simple object, remember the unseen world waiting to be explored. Who knows what you'll discover?